Molly Friedrich with Friedrich Realty back again with a question that we often get, which is, should I go ahead and renovate? Oftentimes we have people that are asking us this. Maybe they're thinking they're going to sell next year, or maybe it's even a little bit further out. And there's a lot of things to consider, and specifically what actually is going to add value. And oftentimes a full remodel is really not what's needed. Buyers like it to be clean. They like to be able to envision themselves there. But again, everything is very specific to the neighborhood and to the particular house. So we're here to advise on that. If you're just looking for an overall idea of what you might do, paint, flooring, lighting, landscaping, those always have really high impact for the dollar value. So those are good things to focus on. And again, really important to know the neighborhood so that you don't over improve, put in projects that maybe are at the last minute and you're not going to recover the value of when it comes to pricing and selling your houses. And presentation really is where it's at, making sure that you've decluttered and prepared the property so that a buyer can envision themselves there. So again, these are things that we advise on, and it's best for us to look at the specific property and help on that. And of course, here's all our contact information. Always happy to talk about it, even if you are a couple years out and you want to see what options are and what we would suggest doing. Give us a call. Again, Molly Friedrich with Friedrich Realty, and we are your go-to for all sorts of real estate questions.